Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. This is your girl NaTasha, and today I just received my Curlbox video for the not video, but my Curlbox for the month of December. I'm going to open it with you. See what goodies they got for us this month. Excited. Drum roll. Okay. Hopefully I got a thumbnail. Okay. I really did enjoy November's Curlbox. Of course, we got the okay, let's try that again, shall we? Curlbox Seasonal Slay. So I'm not going to look inside because it's going to tell me what is in the Curlbox. So let's see. Oh, see, that's why I like Curlbox, because they send you the whole product lines. So this is Maui, M-A-U-I, moisture, made with 100% aloe juice as first ingredients. So this is the Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for Frizzy, Unruly Hair. And the Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk plus Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist for dry hair. This got my nails. I was just messing around with my daughters in here. This is the Maui Moisture Creamy Shea Butter, Rich Coconut Oil, Pure Macadamia Oil. Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. Looks very, very interesting. And the Curl Quench plus Coconut Oil Curl Milk for thick, curly hair. Only thing is that my hair don't usually like coconut oil like that, but sometimes it can tolerate it in products, but not coconut. I know definitely not coconut oil all in itself. And this is the Moisture Hair Care Nourish and Moisture plus Coconut Milk Combined Combing Cream for dry, curly hair. Hydrate, Detangle, Define. And this says all of it is silicone free. It was crafted in Canada. Okay, so this is a coconut milk line. Oh, the smell is so divine. It smells so good. Wow. That one smells like coconut water, coconut milk for sure. All of it smells good. So far, it just smells good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products. I like the way they smell. It's not overpowering at all. This one is probably the heaviest scented one. If anything were to get your allergies going, if you suffer with that, would be this one. The hair mask. It says soften, quench, and repair. Okay, so I'm not familiar with these products. I don't know if they're old, they've been on the market or what, but okay, Curlbox, I can appreciate this. Okay, I'm carrying over into 2020 with you guys. Besides, y'all already done charged my car on the 15th too. Curl Kit did as well, so hopefully they can come through for this last month in this year, because if not, 2020, I'm not even fooling with y'all the rest of the year. Anyway, so that is it. That's what's in this Curlbox for December. The Maui, I hope I'm saying that right, Maui Moisture Hair Care products here. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you thumbs it up. Don't be shy, say hi and leave a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of our uploads. Until next time, Lord say the same. You will see me in the next one.